Borax is used in household for more than 100 years. It is composed of boron, sodium, hydrogen and oxygen. Borax is naturally occurring mineral, a product of seasonal evaporations of salt lakes. Keep watching to discover the ways to use borax in home and garden. The required material is plastic box, sponge, borax and vinegar. First we are going to show you how we clean taps, showers and shower pipe in bathrooms. As you can see how rusty shower pipe is. Rust is formed when metal, especially iron, comes in contact with water and air. Metal reacts with oxygen from the air and water and converts into metal oxide that appears as rust. It is really unpleasant to see rusty material. To remove the rust, we added 2 tablespoons of borax, also known as sodium tetraborate, in plastic box and then poured some vinegar into it. We mixed both the ingredients thoroughly. Magical paste is ready. We used a sponge dipped in the paste and applied it on the taps, shower pipe and shower and scrubbed it thoroughly to remove the rust. After scrubbing, we cleaned the sponge and used this damp sponge to remove the remaining traces of the paste. Next, we rinsed the taps, showers and shower pipe with water. The result was amazing. You can see all the rust is removed off and taps, showers and shower pipes are shining like new ones. In kitchen, we use this paste to remove the stains and watermarks on the tiles of floors. The technique is so simple, just apply the paste on the tiles, scrub them and clean it with water. After cleaning, the tile surface is free of stains. We often use borax for removing smell of the dustbin. For this purpose, we mixed borax with water and poured the solution of water and borax into a spray bottle through funnel. Close the bottle and spray the solution in the dustbin and its surroundings. When borax is added to water, it converts some molecules in the water to hydrogen peroxide H2O2, a mild oxidizing or bleaching agent, and acts as an odor removal. We sprayed on the door of the cabinet, cleaned it with cloth to disinfect from the germs. In garden, we used borax to kill weeds and to make plants pest-free. To do this, we just sprinkle borax powder on the soil where we find weeds. It will help the plants to grow healthy. Thanks for watching this video. For more interesting videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.